a good day. So welcome to another video. Ngayon naman, we will talk about the getting derivative of your trigonometric function. So before we proceed to your derivative of your function, itong nasa table na to are essential. Okay, kasi ito yung gagamitin nating formula kumbaga to solve for the derivative of your trigonometric function. So itong nasa left table po, ito yung mga basic. Okay, derivative of sine is cosine. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Derivative of cotangent x is equal to negative cosecant squared x. Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x. So again, ito yung mga basic formula ng ating derivative of trigonometric functions. Yung nasa right hand naman ng ating table, ito naman yung mga formula ng derivative of trigonometric functions using chain rule naman. So katulad din siya, pero yung pinagkaiba is kung yung function natin is not x na, but u na siya, let's say for example, katulad ng x cubed, 4x plus 1, itong mga nakikita natin, so we will use the chain rule na lang. Okay? So ganun din siya, then we will multiply by the derivative of your function. Okay? Katulad din siya ng basic derivative of your trigonometric functions. For example, number 1, we have sine x cubed. The derivative of this is what? So, pwede natin isulat that the derivative of your function is equal to sine. So, hahanapin natin dito yung sine. Ito yung sine. And the derivative of sine is cosine. Okay? So, yung u natin, that is your function. Susulatin na natin. Then, we will multiply this by the derivative of your function. So, ito yung function natin. Ano yung derivative nito? Using power rule, dropped, then subtract. So, ito na yung du over dx natin. So, multiply by 3x squared. Okay? And then, simplify. So, we will get ito. So, ilalagay natin siya sa harap. That is 3x squared cosine x cubed. And this is the final answer for number 1. That is, itong formula. Okay, how about number 2? We have the tangent of 4x plus 1. So, ito na yung magiging u natin. Okay, so alamin muna natin yung derivative of this para magamit natin later. So, derivative of 4x, derivative of x, identity rule is 1 times 4, that is 4. And derivative of 1, which is constant, is equal to 0. So, 4 na lang yung magiging derivative ng ating function. So, since tan yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, hanapin natin si tan dito. So, tan here, derivative is... So, derivative of your function is equal to, according to the table, we have your secant squared. Yung u natin, copy lang. That is 4x plus 1 times the derivative of your u. Ano yung derivative ng u kanina? That is 4. Then simplify. Ilalagay lang sa harap. We get 4 secant squared, 4x plus 1. And this is the final answer for the tangent of 4x plus 1. Ito yung derivative niya. Another example, we have the cotangent of x squared minus 3x plus 4. This is our u. What is the derivative of u? Power rule, dropped, then subtract. So ito identity 1 times 3, that is negative 3. And this is equal to 0 kasi nga constant siya. So ito na yung derivative ng ating u. Okay? So cotangent, yung trigonometric function, hahanapin natin yung cotangent. Ito. So derivative is negative cosecant squared, yung u natin, that is x squared minus 3x plus 4 times the derivative of u, that is 2x minus 3. Okay? Then ilalagay na din sa harap, we get negative 2x minus 3 cosecant squared x squared minus 3x plus 4. And this is the final answer for number 3. Okay? How about number 4? We have the secant of square root of 3x. Ito yung u natin. Kunin muna natin yung u prime or derivative of this. So this is also equal to, so itong function na to is also the same as 3x raised to 1/2. Diba? or that is simply square root of 3x raised to 1/2. So derivative of this is, that is drop the 1/2, we will get negative 3 times 1/2 or negative 3/2. X 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Or that is simply square root of 3 over 2 times what? Para maging positive, times 1 over x raised to 1/2. Okay, so ito na yung derivative ng u natin. So second, yung trigonometric function natin, hahanapin natin yung second, ito. And the derivative is, so copy muna natin, derivative is second, yung u natin is square root of 3x times the tangent, u nyo ulit, we have 3x multiplied by the derivative of u. Ito kayo siya. We have negative square root of 3 over 2 raised to 2 rather square root of x. Okay? So ito na yung derivative ng u natin kanina. And then we will simplify. So ilalagay lang natin sa harap. So we will get square root of 3 over 2 square root of x. Second, square root of 3x tangent square root of 3x. Is this a final answer? No. Kasi meron tayong radical na nasa denominator. So we will rationalize it. So by simply multiplying this by square root of x square root of x. That means the answer is square root of 3x over 2x. Second, square root of 3x tangent square root of 3x. And this is the final answer for number 4. Medyo mahaba. Okay, how about number 5? Cosecant naman. So before we proceed to this, ang itong u, hahanapin muna natin kung ano yung u prime. So what is the u prime? What is the derivative of your function? So drop the 7. So we get 7x. And then minus 1, we get 6. So ito naman dropped. So minus 6 over 5. That is x raised to 1, and this is equal to 0 kasi nga constant. So ito na yung derivative ng ating u, which is your function. Okay? Gagamitin natin yung table, hahanapin natin yung cosecant. Ito nasa dulo. Derivative of your function is equal to negative cosecant your function, which is 1/3 x raised to 7 minus 3 over 5x squared plus 12. Cotangent, medyo mahaba din. Yung u natin again, ito, 1/3 x raised to 7 minus 3/5 x squared plus 12 multiplied by your du. Ito yung du natin kanina. So, multiply natin by 7/3 x 6. The 6 power minus 6 over 5 x. Then, we will simplify. Ilalagay na natin ito sa harap. Okay, include natin ang parentheses. We get 7x to the 6th power over 5. Okay, over 5 ba? Over 3 pala kanina. 3 siya, hindi siya 5. Okay, 3. So this is 3. Okay, minus 6 over 5x. Then, we have negative siya kasi negative yung cosecant natin. So, copy yung cosecant. Okay, yung function, 1/3 x 7. Copy lang to. 3/5 x squared plus 12. Cotangent, 1/3 x 7 minus 3/5 x squared plus 12. And this is the final answer for your derivative of cosecant of this function. Okay, so that's it for getting the derivative of trigonometric functions. See you on my next video. Bye.